हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम देखने वाले हैं एटीट्यूड स्केलिंग। सो देयर आर द थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ द एटीट्यूड स्केलिंग commonly used in the attitude measurement of a employee in the organization. So these technique commonly used in the organization to measure the employee's attitude. सबसे पहली टेक्निक है इक्वल अपीयरिंग इंटरवल स्केल. So what is the equal appearing interval scale? It is a simple in application as it require only one judgment for the each item or a statement. The statement range from pile 1 to pile 11. They can be ranging from pile 1 to pile 11, corresponding to the most favorable and the most unfavorable respectively. The other statement fall between these two statements. So basically आपने देखा होगा कि हम स्केलिंग कैसे करते हैं कि जैसे कि good, too good, excellent, okay, outstanding, so like that. So here is a scaling is done from the range of 1 to 11, so they can be called as the pile 1 से लेके pile 11 तक. So that is the equal appearing interval scale. Next is a summated rating scales. So this is the scale is experimented by the Likert for measuring the attitude. The scale has a 5 points. उसमें 5 point दिए गए थे. So they are focusing on that 5 points. The statement is a presented indicate that to the response who check one of the 5 point assigned to the each statement. And these points जो भी होंगे वो indicate the degree of agreement or a disagreement, मतलब favor or unfavor with the statement and given to the response. Okay, so then the score of the point given to the statement by the responded are sum and average to L at the individual attitude. ठीक है, so that is the summated rating scale. Next हम देखेंगे semantic differentials. So what is a semantic differential? Refer to the successive allocation made of a concept to a score in a given multidimensional space by the selection from the set of given scale semantic or a scale semantic alternatives. So इसमें क्या कंपेराइज हो गए, क्या कंपेयर करेंगे वो? So it compare of a many pair of opposite alternatives having the scale value in the between the extremes, and whatever the response marks the score along the scale for the his her attitude about the given object. तो ये होगा आपका semantic differential. Thank you.